Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Mary Zahra and you can call me Zahra. I'm from class 10 accounting 1. I will read the procedure text. How to recharge a cell phone battery. 1. Connect the cell phone charge to your cell phone. 2. Then connect the charge to a power outlet. 3. Charge the cell phone for approximately 2 hours until the cell phone battery is full, around 90% or 100%. 4. When it's full, unplug the charge from the phone and place it in a safe place.